This is an unboxing. That's my TTG name on Xbox Live gamer tag. This is my Jtag that I got off Troy 2020. Yeah, so here we go. Yep. Just get out here just now. There we go. There is the Jtag itself. This way. That'll be the leads in there. Yep, there's all the leads and stuff. That's the AV cables. There's the power brick. Power brick there. And of course is the hard drive. So I'll just put this in here just now. That'll do. That's all my Jtag stuff there. I'll be putting a video up in 10 minutes of me plugging in the Jtag and putting it on. Okay, bye.